like you can say also like advantage and disadvantages.
Okay.
Like every people they are
Okay.
talking about the advantages and what will be in the future, and how we can use it. So I want to ask you that what
Okay.
is the advantages and disadvantages also. Share something about this, please.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for giving me opportunity to speak. And as you asked me, so yes, every coin has a two side, positive side and negative side. So here also there are two sides, positive side and negative side. First, I would like to tell you about positive side. Yes, nowadays we are living in internet age or in new age. So here computer is very important to do anything, and now AI also comes, so you need computer knowledge, then only you can excel in your business or in any field. Even I can tell you, because of this computer, because of the mobile and social media, now I am able to speak. Earlier it was very tough for me to speak. So I take it as a positive way. And now I am learning a lot of things. Even I am a businessman, so I can tell you that now creating a bill or like that, it's very easy. Just you have to maintain your inventory and you can make the bills very easily. Earlier you have to write the batch number and all the things. Now you have to just click and you can get the bills easily. So there are many good things about the computer and about this all AI. But now I would like to tell you about the drawbacks or the minus point. Yes, there are many drawbacks because of this. This is one of the big distractor, I can say. Because of this distraction, we could not concentrate in our studies or in our anything. So, so that is also main thing, and especially for kids, those who are studying, the small kids, those who are working, means they are, those who are giving examinations for IAS, IPS, they should not use that mobile too much, because to mobile using mobile they can distract themselves. So it is better that they should focus on studies. They should only take some time, 15 minutes or 1 hours for entertainment or for new learnings. But otherwise they have to study and they have to focus on their studies. Second thing is, nowadays, because of the that crime, online crimes and all the things is very easy. Anyone can, any hacker can, means any hacker can,
Hack. Any hacker can
what I
hack.
hack your, yeah, any hacker can hack your account, and it will be very tough, because you are earning with hard work, but in just one click they took your all money. So the government or this type of things, means the security must be there, then only people will relay and people will accept it very nicely. Because nowadays I have seen many people, they just click one link and their money vanished. That means their money vanished from their account. So it is always better to don't open unnecessary links, and don't give your OTP or password to anybody, because that is not at all good for yourself. And there are many more things nowadays. When you go to any ophthalmologist, the aankhon ka doctor, you see the small kids, they are there because all the kids, they are using too much mobile and computer. So because of that, their eyesight problem is there, and they are facing very vigorously. So it is that's why I'm telling you, you should have that only 1 hours or 15 minutes or 30 minutes time for computer, because it is not good for your eyes and for your brain also, because excess using of computers may give you some psychological problems or insomnia and many other things also. So try to avoid such type of things. But yes, when you want to do something good, or when you want to be a creative, then you can use the computer and mobile. Otherwise, please avoid it, and you use judiciously. That is the main thing. If you will use judiciously, then it will be okay. Thank you. That's all from my side.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It was wonderful because we get a lot of like backside also. Like it has like we can say like lot of advantages, but some disadvantages we should know about that. Like if we don't worry about this, so maybe we will suffer some problem in the future and in the current situation. That is wonderful. Thank you very much. Especially I
Thank you.
saw in my eyes also, I see in the village area who are not about no worry, who are not worry about this. Like they are facing problems. Some people they are calling them like, you got it OTP. If you give us OTP, you will get the money, you will get something like that. And after that they took all the money from this account and they are hacking the all things like that. It's happened. So we should worry about the disadvantages also. So thank you very much for sharing your valuable opinion. So 30 minutes has gone. Before going to listening task, I would like to invite other participate or whoever spoke before. If you want to add something shortly, you can add here, and after that we will go to the listening task. So welcome Haris, you are here at the last time speaking. So would you like to say something about computer? Hello Haris.
Yeah, I'm getting late to join this English conversation. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. So we are talking about the computer exactly. So if you would like to share something,
Oh,
you can share.
yeah. It is such an interesting topic, actually. I'm studying from university and a special IT major is a computer science. Yeah. So I can use this computer, especially for my, my student. Maybe I'm really expert at a website developer and data analysis. And actually, I'm still learning, and especially to use this computer.
Mm-hmm. Hello, hello,
Yeah,
Mr.
that's it.
Haris.
Maybe I can share.
Okay,
Yeah,
you have finished. You have finished.
yeah, that's it.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much, Haris. So now we are going to listening task. It might be American or British accent. So let's see. So they are talking about exactly talk on jobs, fashion design. So see there, this is the topic. I will play this audio and you will get some dialogue from the audio, and also we have a chance to solving the question here. I choose the correct answer A, B, C, A, B or C. So we have 21 to 26 question here. So we are going to solve this problem by the audio. So no worry about the answer, just listen what they are talking about. If you most of the sentence, most of the word if you understand, that's okay, your listening skill is high. So let's start our listening task.
Part 3. You will hear two students called Hugo and Chantal discussing a talk they have just attended at the start of their course in fashion design. First, you have some time to look at questions 21 to 26.
Okay, so 21 to 26 you have sometimes for look at the question. Just look at carefully so that you can understand.